Hello, Martin here. I'm over in South Cambridgeshire, quite a distance from the factory, but a project that we completed early this year. It's a 30 square metre kite, 7.5 metres wide, 4 metres deep. So still sits with one of our standard kites, but with the black colour and then an oak trim pack. And the reason for that was a bit of naturalness worked well, and also they wanted to align some stuff with the house, so the oak and black of the property just worked really well here. The rest of it, the normal MTX cladding V100 painted. You've actually got the pinned fascia, so there's no bolts on the fascia. It gives a really clean line. And as the sun comes out here for me, doing me a little bit of a favour, it really does pop. And that bit of oak in there, I think makes a really nice difference. Just something quite natural. So all of the usual things: 10-year guarantee, 50-year life expectancy. Not quite zero maintenance. You might need to do a little bit with the oak trims, but they are just a trim pack. They're not fundamental to leaking or anything like that. So you can just update those, varnish them once a year or so. Lovely big black 1.7 metre wide French doors, the usual that we have, the sheer line doors, lovely. And then you've got the UPVC black window there, which I love that in the grain. It looks really, really nice. Being used as a games room, and again, because of the distance, the clients actually painted this one themselves inside, so they finished it, and I absolutely love it. Taking inspiration from a previous project we've done with the kind of blues, I think it's one of these called denim blue, and they've done these contrast blues. That's a different blue on the bar to the rest of the walls there, and I love it. You've got the Panasonic a climate control there in black. I like that there. You know, it works well with these dark colours. Doesn't always have to be in white. Beanbag and sofa. Obviously, the pool table, the predominant thing in here being used for. And then that lovely bar complex that we've installed. You've got the lighting down here, the LED lighting that runs around. You've got the barkeeper's sink there, which I love. You know, it's really nice to have that in there with the fridge. We just amended that today, actually, while I've been here. And then a black and copper sparkle glass bar top there from our good friends at Southern Counties Glass. It is self-contained because it is a bit of a distance from the property, the main property. So we've got the nice toilet and basin in there, nice large space. We've designed that obviously to link well with the bar complex as it comes down there. So say 4 metres deep and 7 metres wide. Really does work well. It's a really lovely big space under the 2.5 planning with the V200 on the inside here in that dark blue. I just really love that. Great job. Wash lighting along the rear wall there as well, if you can maybe able to see. So there you go, with the doors wide open, and as I come back, what a great building. The 3 windows either side of the door, a real big statement piece for this property, and with great views looking out over their garden and the fields. It really does feel disconnected from the house and a real oasis. The kids are using it daily apparently, and the bar is getting a good bit of use. So there you go. So that's our 7.5 metre wide, 4 metre deep Kite pre-designed building in the black with the oak trim pack. Hope that's of interest. Please like, subscribe, share what we do, and thank you for watching.